So in this video I'm just going to tell you how you can easily disconnect your Facebook account from Instagram account. So make sure to watch the full video to the very end to don't make any mistake, and do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open up your Facebook account and then just go to the menu, and after that just click on this gear to open up settings and privacy. And then what you have to do is just click on this option, see more in account center, and after that just click on profile. So here it will show you your profile, so just click on that profile which is connected with Instagram. So click it, and then after that what you all have to do is just click on any one of the profile on the Facebook or Instagram. I'm just clicking on Facebook, and after that just turn on this option, sync profile info, and then click stop syncing. So it will be disconnect. So here you see the three profiles, Facebook, Instagram, and Ish. So that was today's tutorial. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and do you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below.